Hello guys, in previous class we have done exercise 2C. In this class we will do exercise 2D. So let's start. The cost of a machine depreciates by 10% every year. If its present worth is 18,000, what will be its value after 3 years? So your principal is question number 1. Principal is 18,000. R is 10% and time is 3 years. So after 3 years, value of machine will be P1 minus R upon 100 raised to power n. We will use minus because it's depreciate. So P is 18,000. 1 minus 10 by 100 raised to power 3. 18,000. 10 1 ja 10. 10. 9 by 10 raised to power 3. 18,000. 9 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10. 0 cut. So it will be 13122. Answer. Now question number 2. The population of a town increases by 20% every year. If its present population is 216,000, find its population. First is after 2 years and then 2 years ago. So आपको after 2 years निकालना है and before 2 years निकालना है. So second question, present population is 216,000 and R is 20%, time is T, 2 years. So after 2 years, population P1 plus R by 100 raised to power n. 216,000. 1 plus 20 by 100 raised to power 2. 21. 5 is 100. 216,000. 5 1 5 plus 1. 6 by 5 square. 216,000. 6 by 5 into 6 by 5. 5 4 is 20. 5 3 is 15. 5 2 is 10. 0. 5 8 is 40. 36. 8640 into 36. It will be 3,11040. And 2 years ago, population A is equal to A divided by 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power n. A is 216,000 divided by 1 plus 20 upon 100 raised to power square. 216,000. 21 5 1 plus 1 by 5 square. 216,000. 5 by 6 square. 216,000. 5 by 6. 5 1 ja 5, 6 by 5. into 5 by 6. Now cut. 6 3s are 18, 6 6s are 36, 6 150 000. Answer. Question number 3. The machinery of a certain factory is valued at rupees 18400 at the end of 1980. It is supposed to depreciate हो रहा है तो it will be minus each year at 8% of the value of the beginning of the year. Calculate the value of the machine at the end of 1979 and 1981. So, value of the machine at 1980, value machinery at the end of 1980 is 18400 and R is 8% time 1 year ago. 1 year ago, that is 1979. P is equal to A divided by 1 minus R by 100. 18400, 1 minus 8 by 100. 18400 divided by 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. 25 minus 2 23 by 25. 18400 5 by 23. So it will be 2000. Now population after 1 year. Population after 1 year in 1981. P 1 minus R by 100. So it will be P is 18400, 1 minus R is 8 by 100. 4 to 8, 4 to 8, so 20. So it will be 18400 into 23 by 25. 18400 into 23 by 25. So 16928 answer. Now question number 4. The present value of a scooter is 15360. If its value depreciate 12.1% every year, find its value after 3 years. आपको after 3 years के बाद निकालनी है and its depreciate. P आपको दिया है 15360. Rupees its value depreciated. R दिए 12/1/2. टाइम दिया आपको 3 year. So after 3 year value P 1 minus R by 100 to power n 15360 into 1 minus 25 by 2 into 100. 4 is 100. 360, 1 minus 1 by 8 raised to power n. 15360 into 7 by 8 का क्यूब 15360 into 7 by 8 into 7 by 8 into 7 by 8. So it will be 10290 rupees answer. Question number 5th. A new year car is purchased for rupees 250,000 if its value depreciate at the rate of 10% in the first year, 8% in the second year, and then 6% every year. Find its value after 4 years. So यहाँ पर आपको R1, R2, R3 डिफरेंट दिए गए हैं. Question number 5. P is 2,50,000. P is 2,50,000. R is 10%. R1 is 10. R2 is 8 and R3 is 6. And R4 is also 6. So P 1 minus R1 by 100, 1 minus R2 by 100, 1 minus R3 by 100, 1 minus R4 by 100. 2 1 minus 10 by 100, 1 minus 8 by 100, 1 minus 6 by 100, 1 minus 6 by 100. 10 ones are 10, 10 tens are 100. 2 threes are 6, 2 threes are 6, 2 fives are 10. So 2,50,000. 10 into 10 minus 1, 23 by 25 into 47 by 50 into 47 by 50. 0 cut 0, 0 cut 0, 0. 10 into 9 into 23, 47 by 25 is 18,290.520 rupees. Answer. Now question number 6th. The bacteria in a culture grows by 10% in the first hour, decrease by 10% in the second hour, and again increase by 10% in the third hour. If the original count of the bacteria in a sample is 10,000, find the bacteria count at the end of 3 hours. So P दिया है आपको. P is 10,000 and R1 आपको दिया है 10%. R2 is also 10% and R3 is also 10%. So now after 3 years bacteria, number of bacteria P, first में आपको क्या हो रहा है, decrease, then second hour again increase. So P 1 plus R1 by 100, 1 minus R2 by 100, and then again increase 1 plus R3 by 100. So 10,000, 1 plus 10 by 100, 1 minus 10 by 100, 1 plus 10 by 100. 10 ones are 10, 10 tens are 10, ones are 10, 10,000 into 11 by 10 into 10 minus 1, 9 by 10, 11 by 10, 0 0 0 3 0 cut. It will be 10890 answer. Now question number 7. The production of refrigerators in a factory rose from 40,000 to 48400 in 2 years. Find the rate of growth per annum. So आपको P दिया है क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. P दिया है 40,000 and A is 48400 and टाइम दिया है आपको 2 year. So A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 raised to power n. A upon P is equal to 1 plus R by 100 raised to power 2. A आपका है 48400 and P is 40,000. 1 plus R by 100. So 000 cut. 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 4 1 जा 400. So 121 upon 100 is equal to 1 plus R by 100 raised to power 2. We can write in the form of this 1 plus R by 100 raised to power 2. Now comparing both sides, 11 by 10 is equal to 1 plus R by 100. So R by 100 is equal to 11 by 10 minus 1. R by 100 is equal to 11 minus 10 by 10. R is equal to R by 100 is equal to 1 by 10. R is equal to 100 by 10. So R is 10% answer. Now question number 8. The value of flat worth rupees 500,000 is depreciating at the value of 10% per annum. In how many years will its value of reduce to 3,64,500,000? So P दिया है आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. P is 50 lakh. A is 36 lakh 4500. R is R दिया आपको 10%. Time is equal to n. So A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 raised to power n. A upon P will be 1 plus R by 100 raised to power n. So 364,500 upon 50. 1 minus depreciate, so it will be minus 2 zeros से 2 0 cut. 729. 5 1 जा 5. 5 7 जा 35. 5 2 जा 10. 5 9 जा 25. 729 by 1000 is equal to 1 minus 10 by 100 raised to power n. So 729 by 1000, 10 minus 100 minus 10 by 100. 10 1 is 10, 10 10 is. So it will be 10 minus 1 raised to power n. So it will be 9 by 10. We can write in the form of this 9 by 10 raised to power n. By comparing both sides, n is equal to 3. Answer. Now, question number 9. Rajit bought a flat for rupees 10 lakh and a car for 3,20,000 at the same time. The price of the flat appreciates uniformly at the rate of 20% per annum, while the price of the car depreciates at the rate of 15% per annum. If Rajit sells the flat and car after 3 years, what will be his profit or loss? So question number 9. प्राइस ऑफ फ्लैट दिया आपको 10,000. प्राइस ऑफ कार दिया है 3,20,000. R1 आपको दिए हैं 20 and R2 is 15. And R2 is 15 year, 15%, and the time is 3 years. So after 3 years, value of flat is equal to P1 plus R by 100 raised to power n. So 10 lakh 1 plus 20 by 100, 21 so 6 by 5, 6 by 5 into 6 by 5 into 6 by 5, it will be 5 to the 10, 5 4 the 20, 5 8 40, 1728,000 rupees. Now after 3 years, value of car. After 3 years, value of car is equal to P1 minus depreciate to minus by 100 raised to power n, 320,000, 1 minus 15 by 100 raised to power 3, 5 3s are 15, 320,000, 17 by 20, 320,000 into 17 by 20 into 17 by 20 into 17 by 20. 30 से 30 cut, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 40, 17 into 17 into 17. It will be 196,520. Now total cost of flat and car. Cost निकालेंगे हम of flat and car. It will be 10 lakh plus 3,20,000. 10 lakh plus 3,20,000. It will be 132. Selling prices. Selling price है आपका 172,800 plus this one 196,520. It will be 192,4,520. अब गेन निकालेंगे. गेन is SP minus CP. So 192,4,520 minus 132,000 0 0, so it will be 604,520 rupees. Answer. Now question number 10. 8,000 workers were employed by a company to complete a job in 4 years. At the end of first year, 5% of the workers were retained. At the end of second year, 5% of those working at the time were retained. However, to complete the job in time, the number of workers was increased by 10% of those working at the end of third year. How many workers were working during the fourth year? So, number of workers in the beginning is number of worker in beginning is 8,000. After first year, rate is 5%. First year rate is 5%. After second year, rate is 5%, and after third year is 10%. After second year, rate is equal to 5% again, and after third year, rate is equal to 10%. So number of worker in the beginning of fourth year, number of worker in the beginning of fourth year is equal to P1 minus R1 by 100, 1 minus R2 by 100, and 1 plus R3 by 100. P is 8,000, and 1 minus R1 is 5 by 100, 1 minus 5 by 100, and R3 is 10, so 1 plus 10 by 100. 5 in the 5, 5 to the 10, 5 in the 5, 5 to the 10, 10 in the 10, 10 10 is 100. So 8,000, 19 by 20 into 20 minus 1, 19 by 20 into 11 by 20. 0 0, cut 2 to the 4 to the 8. So answer will be 7942. Answer. So we have completed chapter number 2. If you have any doubt in any question, then you can ask in comments. Thank you.